What is a personal injury lawyer? Personal injury attorneys and lawyers typically represent clients plaintiffs who have been injured either financially or physically due to the fault of another. A personal injury lawyer is usually experienced in a wide variety of personal injury topics, ranging from automobile accidents and medical malpractice to drug litigation and defective products. Personal injury attorneys often work on a contingent basis, acquiring no fees unless a recovery is made in a case. Who is eligible to file a personal lawsuit? Personal injury lawsuits are filed by the victim of a personal injury against the liable party in order to seek compensation for damages. Personal injury lawsuits can be brought against a party for negligence, strict liability or intentional wrongs. The party can be charged in personal injury lawsuits for negligence if they failed to. Personal injury lawsuits can be brought under a variety of circumstances. Personal injury lawsuits can be filed for car accidents, work injury, drug injury, medical malpractice, nursing home abuse, slip and fall injury, exposure to toxic materials, dog bite injury, and in cases of wrongful death prevent injury. In personal injury lawsuits, the victim seeks compensation for the injuries they have suffered. Compensation can include medical expenses, disability or deformity, loss of income and pain and suffering. Most personal injury lawsuits can be settled out of the court system through negotiations with an adjuster from the defendant's insurance company. If negotiations cannot be reached in this manner, a complaint of law can be filed in the appropriate civil court. The laws regarding personal injury lawsuits in each state are different. All states have a statute of limitations which places a time restriction on when personal injury lawsuits can be filed. In personal injury lawsuits, two things must be proven by the victim. The first thing that must be established is that the defendant was, in fact, responsible for the injuries that were incurred by the victim. The extent of the damages also must be proven in personal injury lawsuits. How an injury lawyer helps in settling a personal injury. Personal injury settlements are the awards given to the victim in a personal injury case. A personal injury case is governed by tort law, which protects individuals from civil wrongs committed by another, either intentionally or as a result of negligence. Personal injury settlements can include compensatory damages and punitive damages. Compensatory damages in personal injury settlements are intended to place a victim in the same position they were in before the injury. Personal injury settlements may be possible in three different types of personal injury that occur in a variety of circumstances. Personal injury claims can be filed for negligence, where victims are injured because the responsible party failed to prevent injury. An experienced and qualified personal injury attorney protects the rights and interests of the injured victims and works to ensure that they are justly compensated in personal injury settlements.